This is Chum, and today I'm creating or showing you my process in building my own website. This is the first for me having to record this process. I follow I've been following this certain YouTuber. I'll put the link below, and taught me how to be organized my website and how to design using Elementor. Okay, let's get started. So this is the back end of my website. It's called Virtual Assist Davao. I'm using a A2 hosting. Their plans are WordPress plans are very affordable, and also they give you a unique login link. So as you can see here, this is the page login. So those who want to try to get into your back end, they can't do it with WP-login. They won't have access to your login page if they don't know this unique URL. And that's really great. So first is looking at this dashboard. It's a bit cluttered. So I'm going to close some of these. So notifications, opt-in tracking, not allow. I'm going to hide this message for now. Then, welcome to WordPress. So if you're new to WordPress, you can go over these steps, but I'm going to close it for now. Also, there's a lot going on here. So you can go to screen options. I'm going to hide a few of them by quick draft. I don't need that. WordPress events, W forms, contact forms. Let's remove that for now. Elementary news, overview, close, optimize, knowledge base, close. Need to optimize. I'm just going to close that. At a glance, nope. Activity, nope. Okay, so it's blank at the moment, but I'll be going to activate Jetpack. So Jetpack can be connected to your WordPress.com account, and it will show you stats, how many visits you get on your website. So it says Virtual Assist About. Then I already have a WordPress account, so I'm just going to do that real quick. Okay, it says completing setup, approve. There seems to be a problem with my login. Give me a sec. So I'm getting an error with Jetpack. So what we're going to do is we will update this now. Okay, it's taking longer than anticipated. We are back. Okay, so now our Jetpack plugin is updated, and let's try to reconnect again. Set up Jetpack. Okay, Okay, so we're still getting an error. So let's try to lost password. Okay, so I messed up. I, I didn't realize that I was on mute for 3 minutes. So I'm just going. So I'm just going to record this audio again. Basically, we have got into Jetpack, and I was going through plans, but for now, we are going to start with a free account. So what I did to fix the site is I logged into um, WordPress.com and add new site. So you'll see there that this plugin needs update. Let's go back to the website and go to the dashboard. So now on your dashboard, you'll be able to see Jetpack, and that's where the stats will show how many users visit your website in a day or in a week, also in a month and in a year. Then you'll see your top post and top searches there. So next, what we're going to do is configure the settings. General. Okay, so we're going to edit the tagline. Web designer and digital marketer. You're going to need an HTTPS to improve your site security. Then your time zone will be where you are, minus +8. Okay, so virtual devel, virtual assistant devel, web designer and digital marketer. HTTPS, so we'll discuss SSL in another video. And admin email, all the other format I can leave default. Works. Week starts on Monday. Save changes. Let's just go over these settings here. Writing, not so much here. Let's go to reading. So reading, if you're using a theme, sometimes you have to use your latest post, but I'm going to focus on WordPress and Elementor. So I use a static page, and you should create a page called home. I'll go into that later. Post page, I don't use this. This you can leave full text. And if you're developing a new website, this should be checked so that it doesn't appear in Google while you're working on it. So it doesn't get indexed unless it's officially online or live. So save changes. Let's go over a few more. So we can, while this is loading, we can go to right click discussion, open link in new window. Wait, my mouse is acting up. Okay. Discussions attempt to notify any linked from the post. Do not allow link notifications from other blogs. You need to uncheck this ping and trackbacks. Comment other. And one post comment. Okay. Save changes. Let's go over here. Let's do media. So media, these are the images that you upload on your website. So as you can see, there are 3 custom or default sizes, which are thumbnail, which is cropped, square, medium size, and large. So you can update this. It is best to update this before or when you're just starting, rather than changing this in the middle. It will get complicated. You mess up your images. So I won't touch this. Let's go to Permalinks. Okay. So the default is day and name for your post. So I will change that to post name. This makes your URL more easy to understand. Like if this goes with this will be changed into the post title. So if you're writing an article like how to design a website, the title will appear here. But you can also change this by updating your slug, which slug, SLUG, which we'll discuss in a few. So let's save changes. So for this website, I'm going to use Elementor Pro. The purpose is I want to check out if I can grow my website or I can get clients by designing a generic looking website just to start, because designing your own website can be very overwhelming sometimes. Because you have to decide everything rather than having a client that it's hard to be having to decide on your own rather than having a client that you can actually see if they're happy with how their website looks. So as you can see here, we have 2 pages, home and privacy policy. So to add new page, I'm going to add an about us or about me and a contact me and services. So add new. Let's close this. So let's do services, publish. So you'll see here visibility public immediately. So yes, publish. Now we're going to add another. So you can either click here to add new or new here. New page. Excuse me. About me. Let's do publish, publish, and let's do another one page. Contact me. Publish, publish. So let's go back to all pages. Okay, so we have here home, about me, contact me, and services. So first is we're going to go in home, edit Elementor. So you won't be able to see this if you haven't activated it inside the page. So you do that by clicking the title here, edit with Elementor. Okay, so we're now in the home page. You can see the preview by clicking the arrow here. So this is how your website will look like for your clients or your users. So this is stressful. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I need the home page hide the title. So you click here in the settings and hide title. Okay, that's gone. Then featured image. So your featured image will show when you share the link. So what do we have here? So these are just generic websites. I'm going to upload my logo. Okay, so I'm going to use a generic photo for now. I use Pixabay. Workstation. So home office. Workstation. I don't use a Mac, so this is very hard. Let's just use this for now. Dell. Yeah, this looks good. Let's find another one. I think this one looks good. So you can download it here. The size, if you want the large version, you need to pay for it, but this one's free. So, and this is more than enough. I'm not a robot. CAPTCHA. Okay. So you can copy this and put it somewhere on your website. So you give credit to the photographer. So I'm just going to drag it here for now. But what you want to do is to optimize this, the file name, the title. I won't go into details. But basically, you can put the title as need to remove the numbers. So my workstation at home, alt text as well, insert media. So the title will be displayed if your image is somewhere on the page. The title will show if you hover over the image, and the alt text will show on search engines. So alt text is very important. So page layout, I'd like it to be full width. Let's see, full width template, Elementor full width. It's the same. So let's go do that. What else? So background, no. Advanced, okay, that's good. Default colors. So you can pick your colors here that you want your default colors to look like. So for example, this one, my color is red and black. So let's use this one as your primary. Apply. Okay. Default fonts. So fonts that you're using on your website. So let's keep it default for now. So you can change this font here. I'm going to keep it. I don't want to dive into it right now. Spacing here. Or preference. Enable Lightbox. Editing handles, yes. Lightbox editor is when you have your image, and if you click it, it will show a light box. I will explain it later. Oh, just no. Okay, so let's add a template because I want this to be a generic website. Just to see if we can get a client. So, okay, we have several free here. So these ones are free. These ones are only accessible via Pro if you have a license. Okay. Let's do a search. Popular trend. Popular. Okay. Restaurant. These are just suggestions. You can use this in any niche. So study. Hotels. Business page. About. So I'm going to search for homepage. Home. So these are the ones that we have. Okay, these are just the free ones at the top. Law firm, fitness page, business page, study. Okay, I'm looking at this study. Let's see how it looks like. I like the hero image background here. It doesn't have to be a video. You can put an image here. It looks good. It has a call to action. What's it for? This is good. Our teaching team doesn't have to be a team. It could be about you. So here you can put your working hours, your address. This is good. This looks good. Let's look at another one. Okay. Home. Okay. So we got this business page. So we have nice graphics here. Call to action. Here it explains what you do. So here are, I think these are features or what's process services. So this is the lead magnet. Themes, this is only applicable if you have a good number of services. So you can change this accordingly. So our team, that's where it ends. This is a bit short for my liking, but I do want this one and this one. But I think the study is more applicable for me. Let's see, hotel. So you have social here. Your lead magnet, or no, your call to action. These are blogs, testimonials. It's a bit short as well. So I'm going to use study for now. Insert here. So I'm going to insert. Okay. So Elementor Pro. No, Elementor is before this wasn't here before. You can easily access insert the template. So now you have to create an account. Okay, so I successfully created a free account. It was super easy. Um, just the name and email. I think they're going to use it to, you know, get more their list, build up their list. It's just a good marketing strategy. So, okay. So here, as you can see, it's a video. So we already have a good looking website here. So what I'm going to do is to brand it, personalize it more. So it's going to be unique in some way. So here, this is the, okay. So here, I'm going to change the background. Got it. Edit section. So you go to, should be stretched, and style. So this one, we're going to change to a blue one. So I'm going to hide this for now. Okay. So you have here our background. Let's see the preview here. It's already looking like a great website, right? Okay. So we're going to position it center. Fixed means it's going to be like that parallax, I think that's what you call it. And scroll means it's not going to move. So I'm going to use fix. No repeat, cover is good. Background overlay is this color. I'm going to change it. Okay. So my color is red. Okay. This is. Okay. What colors? Never mind. So we have here, we change the color of the background. So this is too much for me. So what I'm going to do is play with it a little. I could reduce the transparency here. Yep, that looks better. rather than having it all the way, we could reduce it. Okay. But you have to copy this. Let's copy it over here. So what you can do is you can right click here, copy, and then you could go here in this section and paste style. So as you can see, copy the style. But for this one, we're going to change the image. So let's look for another image. This looks good. Download. So we're going to change the file name, workstation. Home office. So this makes it easier for your search engine to find your images. So let's edit here. Make sure you click this section, style, then choose image, go to uploads, and just drag this one. Since we changed our file name, it will automatically be registered here in your title. So insert workstation. Sorry, I keep messing it up. Since I work remotely, I won't need this map. Okay, let's give me a sec here. Okay, so we're not going to use this video. So I'm going to delete this. Instead, we're going to add an image. You can drag it here. Then let's use this one. Or no, let's use a vector. Desk. Computer. Let's use a vector. PC. Workstation vector images. TZ. Let's try this. Free download, attribution required. Okay. So workstation, vector, since this is a vector, I'm going to have to extract here. EPS. Okay, let's skip it for now. Just continue here. Okay, so how to make a website. So first here I'm going to write a appealing service. What am I going to offer my users? Grow your business. Get more leads. So what does explain more? And to get more leads. Grow your business. Grow your business by driving more customers your way. Allow your users to find you faster and let's see. Your users to find you faster and let me think for a bit. I'll be right back. So let's see. Book more calls. grow your business by getting more clients, more prospects. Make it easy. Make it easy for your customers to find and contact you. Okay, and I'm back. So I got this image here in Pixabay. It's a vector with transparent background. This is from before and this is it now. So the copy I wrote: get consistent flow of high-paying leads. Focus on your construction business. You don't have the time and energy to worry about where your next project will come. You want to be able to relax, sit back, and enjoy your freedom. So I wrote this because it tells them that I know their problems and what their pain points are, and I'm telling them that they are able to enjoy their business rather than having to deal with everything else. And I put a call to action. So you need to put what you want your clients to do, what you want them to do next after reading this, your first statement. So you have to have this up front. So I'm going to just change the color. So this is an old website that I made. Okay. Okay. So let's preview changes here. This is not that legible. And it gets lost in the color. So let's see. Black shadow. Five. hover, white, maybe black. So we have our shadow here. Let's talk. I think it's getting lost. What we can do to make this unique is let's add a style shape divider. So we can choose at the bottom. We could do no mountains, drops. So you can see there are several different ways. Tilt. This is the one which is commonly used right now. Tilt. Book. No, split. Fan. Can do arrow. Wait. The split. No. Oh, which was it again? Give me a sec here. Triangle. Let's do invert. Yep. You could pick the width. Oops. Okay, it's not doing anything. Okay. The height. Okay. You could do 150. This one, I think we could reduce the top. 120. Ouch. Okay. That's better because your clients will see the button up front or your call to action. Okay. So what is it for? Okay. You could change this one. Something more relatable. Just going to browse through this. So this one, I'll change to me. Teaching team. For now, there's only me. So I'm going to put about Chum. I'll remove this. So I'm going to add another column, or I'm going to duplicate this. Edit. I'm going to I'm going to change this. Going to move the full. Make the name more darker. Okay. I don't think I have a photo here. I'll upload this later. Been working. I've been working online since 2010, and passion and helping some business grow. Used to do different markets, used to work on different markets, but recently decided to focus on home construction industry. I am opinionated. Watching movies, series, traveling, eating out. Listening a lot to Simon Sinek. Okay, so I have these paragraphs here, and okay. It's, so I've been working on since Gen 10, and I'm passionate enough in this grow. I used to work with different markets, which is in the house and non-construction industry. I'm opinionated, and I'm not afraid to tell you what I think. I constantly think of ways to improve myself, to improve your business. I was involved watching movies, being out and traveling. Been listening to a lot to Simon Sinek and his talk about why. Become an effective leader. Uh, mm, this one is LinkedIn. Insert. It's my LinkedIn. LinkedIn. Open new window. Facebook. Mm, mm. Okay. So I updated my description here about me. The links, my social media links. I only have Facebook and LinkedIn for now. My photo, name, my title, or what I do, and so let's talk what it's for. Um, skip it. Since I don't have a blog yet, I will have to hide this for now. Or, yeah, I will hide this for now. So what I'm going to do is go to advanced responsive, and I'm going to hide this. So this one as well. But before I do, I'm going to duplicate this section. So I have here two, and this one I'm going to hide. This one I'm going to delete. I'm going. Okay. So what I'm going to do is make this 150 for both. Latest posts, and I'm going to coming soon. Let's add padding here. Five. Oh, okay, it's percentage. So 5. No, it's okay. This one coming soon, italic, and let's center this. Latest post coming soon. So let's see the preview. It is post here, so they know that you're going to add a blog, and we have a contact here. Okay. So this one, I think I'm going to it's not moving. Let's try this. Okay, so this one, columns, intersection. Okay, I'm going to interchange this too. Okay. Then, so this one, learn from the very best. Got consistent flow of typing. Going to copy this font. Copy. Then paste style here. Center. What questions? feel free to contact me. So I feel like this is a bit light. So I'm going to add. Okay, that's much better. So I'm going to copy this, copy, and I'm going to paste the style here. Make sure that it's left aligned. Okay, so I'm going to remove this map. I won't be using it. I don't have a working hours. I'm going to use this color. Give me a sec. Never mind. Let me go into here. Sorry. Here. And copy. So I'm going to change this color. We are here. Davao, Philippines. Phone is 63926 076 4103. WhatsApp, same. Skype, let me see, like it. Email, Marian Chum at virtualassist.com. So I'm going to change the style, content, typography, no, typography to there, and I need to copy, right click, copy. Oh, sorry. It's an icon box. So we need to check the typography or the font is Open Sans Hebrew. So we're going to go to content, title, let's find the Open Sans, Open Sans Hebrew. Just to make it more legible. What else? Let's see. Preview changes. Post got questions. We are here. I am here. Or contact me. No. Get in touch. So actually, let's make this more about my service. I'm going to add a section instead. I don't think I need this. I'm going to add a section. This one I'm going to hide for now because I'm not sure what I'm going to put here. So I'm going to put a section. Template blocks. So you can choose category here. Let's select services. So as you can see here, there's a number of style that you can use for your services. I'm going to use this one or yep. Yeah, this one should do. This one is going to be white. So I'm going to copy this heading, paste it here, base style here, but make sure I change the color to black. Okay, that's weird. Okay, so we got black here. And content center, services. So we got web design. I'm going to image grow. Show more credibility. Content title. Web design. Website design. Build a high converting website to show more credibility. That is easy to use. Get quote. So I'm going to use the same link for all of my services for now. Background. Okay. Actually, let's copy, paste style. So that's faster. Center. Get quote. Web design. try. I want this one to be red as well. But it's an image, so I don't think we can do that. So what we're going to do now, wait, is there a border? Yes, there is a border. I'm going to change that to red. So what I'm going to do is copy this column. Let's see if paste style here, paste style here. So no, okay. Style, paste style. Nope, sorry, bad. Okay, this one you need to fix the hover. So text color needs to be black. And border, no, it's still white. And border needs to be black. And background needs I'm not sure if it's not falling. Text color is black. Okay. Border is black. With sorry. That's weird. Uh, okay. It's a bit trouble. I think that's better. Copy, paste, style. Get quote. Make sure that you open it in a new window so you don't close your website. Just stay on your page. So, website design, search engine. And maintenance. Site maintenance. Rank. Get more traffic to your site and rank on Google. Keep site up to date and security. Featured services. Copy, change, paste style. Okay. So I use Calendly to book my calls, my appointments. Um, Let me see if I can add something here. Another call to action. Actually, I'm going to copy this one and paste it here. I'm going to add a spacer between here. Yeah, that's enough. Let's talk. Let's talk. Copy and paste here. book crawl. Integrations. Okay. I'm not going to dive into that for now. Let's see, get in touch. I have my details here. What I'm going to add. Let's add a form. Let's add a contact form. It's not necessary, but let's add one anyway. So let's copy the style here. Paste style. Copy. Paste style. Okay. Advanced background. So I'm going to remove the background from the icon box and put it here instead. So that it's aligned. And I'm going to add a padding. Sorry. Padding to the right. Let's see, 20. Oops, no, it's margin. My bad. Yeah. And here I'm going to padding to the left. Okay, now we're going to update the form name. Required. Let's just remove these labels. Says message. Three rows should be enough. Submit button. Let's put it here. Make it medium. Email. Let's do Chum at virtual assist eval. New message from virtual assist eval. New fields from name Chum of virtual assist eval. Okay. Let's fix the button color, background. Oops, my bad. So let's color again. There. So this is a bit big. So let's make it 150. 120. Uh, 100. Okay, so update. Preview changes. So we got here, get consistent flow of high-paying leads, focus on your construction business. Let's talk featured services, website design, search engine, maintenance, get quote, about me, latest post coming soon, got questions. Is there anything else we need to add? So I'm going to exit to dashboard. I'm not too sure about this color here, but I'm good. I just want to launch. Okay. So we're going to check it out. Here it is. Okay, I think we can work with it. A few things. I'd like this to be a one-page website for now because I think all the informations are there. So let's go to, let's customize our menu. Wait, there's nothing there. Create main menu. Actually, since we don't have a I'm not going to use the other pages for now. So what I'm going to do is, instead of this header here, I'm going to make my homepage Elementor canvas. Hit update, and if we refresh this, so we get just this. And I think it looks better already. Yep. Lastly, I think I'm going to add my logo. So let me download that first. Okay, so I added my logo here, and I've saved the changes. So this is what my website looks like now. So we have here your eye-catching offer. You address here the client pain points and what they want to have. And we have here the call to action, what you want them to do. So I mentioned my featured service, but these are not the only service that I can provide them. So website design, search engine, and site maintenance, get quote. This will direct them to Calendly so they can book a call with me. And I have here about me. I talk about myself, my experience, my I think I need to update this still, but I just want to put it out there. Um, my social profiles, a photo of me, another call to action, latest post coming soon. So contact information right here. So so these are the things that I think the client needs to see to be able to decide if they would like to work with me or not. I still need a lot to update my profile. I'll be posting another video about how I improved it um, regarding content writing and uh, a few more tweaks and what do you call that? SEO. We'll start doing SEO in the next week. So I'll try to index this for now, launch this for now, and see how it goes for the first week. Then after a week, I'll start doing SEO. Well, on page SEO. Then we'll see. Um, we'll see what happens. Thanks again for tuning in, and I hope you learned something. Hopefully, you took you can see that it's not really important for the design aspect at first. You can constantly improve your website as you go along. And the most important things is that all the information are there, so the client will be able to contact you. I still didn't post any of my, as you can see, I didn't post any of my portfolio. I will take I will have to think about it if I'm going to post one. That's it for now. Bye.